What will we have for our Christmas Eve lunch for today? We have shrimp fried rice, seafood noodles, beef noodles, bologna light, and spring rolls. Let's find out. Let's order. What are we having? Meal unboxing. We have shrimp fried rice, spring rolls, and beef noodle soup. Let's eat. Let's eat. We are the same color as the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. We're having Thai again. Let's eat. Back here at Chiang Thai, what will we have? Pad Thai or garlic chicken? Let's see. Not Noche Buena, but Christmas Eve food. We're having Thai noodles, chicken noodles. Let's eat.